10 years ago, $1 could buy you a full cup of coffee. Today, that same dollar might not even get you half. And here's the scary part. It's not because coffee became special, it's because your money became weaker. This is called inflation. And in this video, I'll explain inflation simply. By the end of this video, you'll understand what inflation really is, why it happens, and how it silently affects your life every single day. Inflation means prices go up over time, but more importantly, inflation means your money buys less than before. If today $10 buys you lunch, and next year that same lunch costs $12, that difference is inflation. Your money didn't disappear, it just lost purchasing power. Think of money like ice. Inflation is heat. Slowly, quietly, your money melts. Imagine you save $1,000 and keep it under your mattress. No investing, no interest, just cash. Now imagine inflation is 5% per year. After 1 year, that $1,000 still looks the same, but it can only buy about $950 worth of things. After 5 years, that money may only feel like $780. You didn't spend it. You didn't lose it. Inflation quietly took it. Inflation doesn't come from nowhere. Here are the main reasons. First, more money is created. When governments print more money, each unit becomes less valuable. More money chasing the same goods means higher prices. Second, higher costs. If fuel, electricity, or wages increase, businesses raise prices just to survive. Third, supply problems. When products are harder to produce or deliver, prices go up. Inflation by itself is not evil, but too much inflation hurts everyone. Here's the unfair truth. Inflation hurts people who save only in cash, depend on fixed income, or live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because prices rise faster than salaries. Meanwhile, people who own assets, invest, and understand money have protection. Inflation is not just an economic problem, it's a knowledge problem. You don't need to be rich to fight inflation, you need to be aware. Some basic ideas. Don't keep all your money in cash. Learn how investing works. Build skills that increase your income. The goal is simple. Make your money work for you. So inflation doesn't eat it alive. Inflation is invisible, but its effects are everywhere. If you understand it, you can protect yourself. If you ignore it, you pay the price. This channel exists to make finance simple and clear. See you in the next video.